everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Palworld not launching and black screen on your PC. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing blank screen or black screen on your PC when you launch Palworld, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you can see a task manager, right click on that. Right click on this start menu, then click on task manager, or you can press Ctrl Alt Delete to open the task manager. In this you need to find Palworld, right click on that, then click on end task. After that, then relaunch it, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. So another method is, what you have to do in this task manager, you need to find Windows Explorer, scroll down, you can see a Windows Explorer, right click on that, then click on restart and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then close this window, open the device manager, click on this search menu, then type your device manager. You can see a device manager, click on this. In this you need to find display adapter, double click and expand. You can see here, this is your display drivers or graphic driver, right click on that, then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for the drivers. You have to make sure you have connected to the internet. After that, click on search automatically for the drivers. Or if this option is not working, you can see here browse my computer for the drivers. Select this option, then select the second option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select this option, select your display driver, then click on next, then close this window. After trying both these options, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just uninstall your Palworld and reinstall it. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So this way you can fix Palworld not launching or black screen problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.